How to naturally reverse genetic obesity, a question that has stumped many, yet the answer could be simpler than you think. This is our focus today as we explore the fascinating world of genetic obesity. This prevalent health issue is more complex than it first appears, with both our genes and our environment playing pivotal roles. Genetic obesity isn't just about a single gene mutation or a rare genetic syndrome. It's a multifaceted issue influenced by an array of genes that interact in unique ways with our environment. Genome-wide studies have even identified certain gene variants associated with obesity. However, these only explain a small fraction of obesity risk. Interestingly, twin studies suggest a strong genetic influence on body mass index, but it's not all about the DNA. Our lifestyle choices, diet, and even our global environment significantly contribute to the rise in obesity. Understanding the delicate interplay between our genes and our environment is crucial in tackling this global health crisis. It's not just about the genes you're born with, but how you choose to live your life. Stick around as we delve deeper into this captivating topic. What if we told you that your genes are not your destiny when it comes to obesity? Yes, you heard it right. Your genes, while influential, are not the sole determinants of your weight. Let's explore the scientific aspects of genetics and obesity in more detail. Our genetic makeup plays a significant role in our susceptibility to obesity. However, the specific genes involved and the extent of their interaction with our environment are not fully understood. A rare form of obesity can be traced back to mutations in a single gene. Picture this as a single member of a choir hitting a wrong note, causing a noticeable change in the harmony. In a similar manner, a single gene mutation can significantly affect our body's weight regulation. However, the most common form of obesity is influenced by multiple genes. Imagine this as a choir where several members are slightly off-key. The overall harmony is changed, but it's harder to pinpoint the exact sources of the discord. In the same way, multiple genes can subtly influence our body mass index, or BMI, making it more challenging to identify and address. Studies involving twins have shed light on the strong genetic influence on BMI. These studies suggest that if one twin becomes obese, the other has a high chance of also becoming obese, indicating a genetic link. However, genetics isn't solely responsible for this. Genome-wide association studies have identified several gene variants associated with obesity. Nevertheless, these variations only contribute to a minor portion of the overall risk associated with obesity. The environment, including our diet and lifestyle, plays a crucial role in the global rise of obesity. So, what does all of this imply for us? It means that while our genes may predispose us to obesity, they do not determine our fate. We can counteract this genetic predisposition with healthy lifestyle choices, like maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise regime. Genetic predisposition doesn't have to mean a life sentence of obesity. The key lies in our lifestyle choices. This is empowering knowledge, isn't it? It restores the control to our grasp. We'll explore this further in the next segment, so stay tuned. In an era of misinformation, we at NutriBurn are committed to providing you with accurate and unbiased content. We understand the power of knowledge, and we know that in your journey to reverse genetic obesity, reliable information is your greatest ally. This is why we have dedicated ourselves to ensuring that every piece of information we present to you has been thoroughly fact-checked by certified health practitioners. These experts contribute their expertise and knowledge to the discussion, making certain that we are providing you with the most up-to-date, scientifically backed data. We believe in the importance of making informed health decisions, and we are here to empower you with the knowledge you need to make those decisions confidently. With NutriBurn, you can trust that the information you receive is accurate, reliable, and beneficial. Now, let's explore the powerful role of diet and exercise in combating genetic obesity. While our genes do play a significant role in determining our body mass index, research has shown that lifestyle changes, particularly in diet and exercise, can effectively counteract some of the genetic predisposition to obesity. It's like being dealt a hand of cards in a game. Sure, the cards you're dealt are important, but how you play them can make all the difference. Let's start with diet. A well-balanced diet is not just about eating less, but eating right. It means consuming a variety of foods that provide the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These essential nutrients encompass protein, carbohydrates, fats, water, vitamins, and minerals. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can aid in weight management and lower the likelihood of obesity. Now let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity is key in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of obesity. It helps to burn off the excess calories that can't be cut through diet alone. Exercise also offers numerous health benefits, such as strengthening your heart, improving your mood, and boosting your overall health. But you might be thinking, how much exercise do I need? The answer varies for everyone, but generally, adults should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of high-intensity activity each week. This can be anything that gets your heart rate up, like walking, swimming, or cycling. Now let's bring in some numbers. A recent study revealed that people with a genetic predisposition to obesity who engaged in regular physical activity had a 2.2 BMI units lower than their inactive counterparts. That's the difference between being classified as overweight or normal weight. Similarly, those who adhered to a healthy diet had a 1.1 lower BMI compared to those who didn't. These findings are a testament to the power of lifestyle changes. They show that even if obesity runs in your family, you're not destined to follow suit. You have the power to shape your destiny. The journey to reversing genetic obesity is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires commitment, patience, and consistency. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Keep in mind that the key is not striving for perfection, but rather dedicating yourself to putting in effort. Transformation takes place when you consistently bring forth that effort every day. The power to reverse genetic obesity is literally in your hands. As promised, here are some bonus tips to help you on your journey to a healthier you. First, remember that diet and exercise can counteract some of the genetic predispositions to obesity. Make sure to incorporate a balanced diet and regular physical activity into your lifestyle. This doesn't mean you have to run a marathon or go on a strict diet, but consistent small changes can make a significant difference. Second, seek professional advice. Health practitioners can provide personalized strategies based on your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle. They can also help you set realistic goals and keep track of your progress. Remember, everyone's journey is different, and what works for others might not work for you. Now let's do a quick recap. We started by understanding genetic obesity and the role genes play in it. While genes can influence our body mass index, they don't have the final say. Our lifestyle choices, including diet and exercise, hold significant power in this equation. We also emphasized our zero-bias content policy, ensuring that the information we provide is fact-checked by certified health practitioners. We then delved into the power of lifestyle changes. Small, consistent changes in our diet and physical activity can have a profound impact on our health. We can't change our genes, but we can change our habits and lifestyle. And remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Lastly, these bonus tips are here to further support you in your journey. Keep in mind that you have companions on this path. Numerous individuals are undertaking a similar journey, and a supportive community is readily available to assist you. Seek professional advice and make lifestyle changes that you can sustain. Remember, your genes don't define you, your actions do. So take control and start your journey to a healthier you today. To conclude, reversing genetic obesity naturally is not only possible, but within your grasp. Harness the power of the knowledge you've gained today. How can you apply this information to your daily routine? What life changes can you make to counteract any genetic predisposition to obesity? Remember, it's not just about the genes you're born with, but how you choose to live your life that truly counts. It's noteworthy that twin studies suggest a strong genetic influence on body mass index, but the environment also plays a significant role. So, how can you make your environment conducive to a healthy lifestyle? And how can your diet and exercise routine be improved to fight the genetic odds? We look forward to hearing your thoughts, plans, and success stories in the comments below. Your journey towards a healthier lifestyle begins today, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NutroBurn for more amazing content. Together we can conquer obesity.